Hello all. In the last video we have seen or we have gone through the introduction of Solidworks, and we have done a simple modeling on glass, and we have known how to use Solidworks with that simple solid model of glass. Now in this session or in this video we would learn how to make a simple rocket or a simple model. So let's get started. In this video we are going to use the assembly also. We are going to model the rocket here, and we are going to assemble here. So let's get started. So for making a rocket, now I'm going to take the top plane. Coming to the units, I'm living in mmgs only, because as you know the real units or real size of the rockets is very much large. So for the sake of your understanding, and for my convenience, I'm taking mmgs because I rather frequently use mmgs for my works. So let us take the top plane, sketch. I'm taking the circle. So I'm taking the dia as 7 mm dia. Right, this is a circle of 7 mm dia. Now going to the features, extrude boss base. I'm taking the height, the base of the rocket, some 13. Yes. So this would become the base of the rocket. Now taking this view, making it normal, selecting sketch. Again we would draw another circle, the middle body of the rocket. For middle body of the rocket, circle of dia some 5. So guys, once again I'm saying I'm taking the mmgs, millimeter gram second, for my convenience. We could for your convenience you could use any of the 4 systems that have been here. So for my convenience I'm taking mmgs one. So we drew a circle of diameter 5. Now let's make the base or the middle part of the body of the rocket. So going to features, extrude boss base. So I'm giving the middle body as some 20 mm. Yes, this would be appropriate height for the middle body of the rocket. Yes, the shape looks like this. Coming to the top portion of the rocket, selecting this face, keeping it normal, selecting sketch, selecting circle, and drawing another circle of radius. Roughly for the nose, the radius should be more than the base, or not base, the radius should be more than the middle part of the rocket. As you can see, extruded boss base, this height should be around some, I'm keeping 7 mm, right? Yes, 7 would be appropriate, right? Now it is not a rocket. Yes, we all know it's looking like some bar or a rod. So we should add some additional features for it to look like a rocket. So for that, the foremost thing we should add is the fins. The fins are the basic part of the rocket for its navigation. So going for the fins now. For the fins I am taking, yes, front plane. Considering the front plane, taking it normal and doing sketch. So this is the front plane of the rocket. So for the fins I am selecting line here, fins, sketch, line. Yes. They are more familiar, the fins now. As you can see here, as we have drawn the diagram for the fin, but it is not touching the surface of the rocket. So when we do extrude, then it would be not attached with the rocket. So for this, we should in the front plane to the normal. We are deleting these constraints so that we would match this fin into the rocket. Reshaping this and merging this inside. Yes. We have merged this fin inside the base of the rocket so that there would be no inconvenience when we extrude it. Yes. Now going to the features, selecting extruded boss base, selecting through mid plane and giving 2 mm. Yes. So our single fin is ready. So we all know that the rocket won't fly with a single vane. So yes, it's appropriate. So the rocket won't fly with a single vane. So it should have minimum 3 vanes to fly on, to navigate. Not vanes, sorry, fins. It should have 3 fins to navigate. So there should be another 2 fins to make a perfect rocket or a missile. So for that, we could choose a circular pattern. Yes, but before going to the circular pattern, we must choose, or we must have an axis for revolution. So for that, we are going to reference geometry and selecting the axis. Yes, for selecting axis, you have 5 options here: 1 line edge axis, 2 plane axis, 2 plane vertices, cylindrical or conical face, point face and plane face. So you could choose what kind of axis you want according to your consideration of or with your relevance. So for my relevance, I am selecting the cylindrical or conical face. Yes, we have got the axis here. As you can see, we have got the axis here for the base, and now we are going a circular pattern now. So as you can see, we have got 3 more fins here with 360 degrees. So now here we have got the perfect part of a rocket. Now as you can see, the fins are perfectly aligned respectively with equal spacing between them. Now it is more likely a rocket now. Yes, no doubt in it. So taking the bottom, selecting sketch, creating a circle here of diameter, yes, approximately 5. So we should create a hollow for the exhaust gases to come out. As you all know, the rocket works on thrust principle. So for creating a hollow, going to features, extruded cut, and selecting, I'm giving some 4 mm for my relevance. Yes, or of course, or 5 mm. Yes. Now we have made a hollow at the bottom for the exhaust gases to burst out, for required thrust for the rocket to boost up. Yes. Though now 90% of the body is completed. Now we should make the nose. So for that I am selecting another new part. I am taking the top plane, selecting or creating it to a normal and sketch. For the nose, I am taking the line here, right. I am creating a triangle. I want a conical nose, so I am creating a triangle. As you all know, the base of the nose should be aligned here, so it is of 6 centimeter, 6 mm dia. So we should keep this as 3, so that the dia would become 6 after revolution. Dimension 3 mm sufficient, right? Now making it perfect horizontal, making this one perfect vertical, and this one perfect fixed. So it is ready for revolution. Select this axis, not that one, delete. Yes, this axis. Yes, now it's a perfect cone or the nose of the rocket with 6 mm dia base. So we would save this as nose stop. Okay, and we would save this as rocket base. Stop. So guys, we have two parts for assembly. One is the whole rocket without a nose, and here we have made a nose separately. So we must assemble these two to make a perfect rocket. So before going to assembly, we would first color this rocket. So this one, selecting this one, going to the appearances, phase. So for rockets of various colors according to the nation's choice, but for my choice I'm taking, or I'm considering, appearances, metal, copper. I'm considering copper for this. Copper, no, brushed copper, sorry. Face, yes, brushed copper. It is pretty good now. And for the fins, appearances, body, brushed copper, right. Actually it is not brushed copper. Axis, pattern, appearances, body, metal, brushed copper, right. Polished. Yes. polished copper yet. Right. For this object, for this part, I'm giving some cache prompts, right? For this part, axis, hide, appearances, face, metal. I'm giving a gold finish to this also. Yes. Polished gold. Right. So you could give colors of your choice, the appearance of your choice. So I'm given these colors for my relevance. So going to the cone, so you could color it with your choice. I am selecting again polished gold, plus polished gold for my cone. Yes. So the two parts are ready. One is the nose cone and is the whole body of the rocket. So the next thing we have to do is the assembly of these two parts. So now going to the assembly. Okay. So here we should assemble those two parts to make a complete or perfect rocket or a missile. So now going to insert components here. So our two parts are shown here. First one is nose and the second one is the rocket base. So I'm going to select the rocket base. Yes, we have got the base here. Going to insert components again, selecting the nose. Yes, we have got the nose here. So we should assemble these two. So for assembly we should click on mate and select these two. Sorry, mate. Go inside. Yes, it's a perfect rocket now. So you could give your name of your choice as Brahmos, Agni, anything. Now you have seen in this session how to make a rocket, the base of the rocket and the nose and the assembly of these two parts. So it's a perfect rocket now. Going to the perspective view, it looks like this. The appearance is of your choice. I have given these colors: polished gold here and here, and polished copper here, and bronze for here. You could give any choice. You could take any appearances. There are numerous appearances that you could give for your solid model. You have plastic, metals, various metals, painted rubber, glass, anything you could give to your solid model of your relevance or choice. So guys, as you have seen, we have done the basic shape of a rocket here or missile here, anything that you would consider. And the nose in a separate part, the nose of the rocket we have done in a separate part, and in the assembly we have merged these two to make it a complete rocket or a missile. So hope you have liked this session. So stay tuned for more and more other objects or solid models in the SolidWorks in our channel. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a good day.